Hello everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to download Gardenscapes on your Android phone. If you want to download the popular Gardenscapes game on your Android device, then it's pretty simple. Start off by launching open your Play Store and go to the search box at the top, type in Gardenscapes. Once you perform the search, you'll be able to see this Gardenscapes game from Playrec. Simply tap on the install button to begin downloading the application on your Android phone and wait until the application is downloaded and installed. Once it's done, you'll be able to see the play button activated. Simply tap on it to start playing the game. So that was how you can easily download Gardenscapes on Android. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.